Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making this soft and fluffy marble cake. It was so good. You can like this video, subscribe, and let's get into it. So you are going to add room temperature eggs to your bowl and then some granulated sugar. You are going to mix this until it's light and foamy. You can mix this with your hand mixer. You can also mix it totally by hand, just like I'm doing. The most important thing is to whisk it until it incorporates air into the batter and it becomes light and creamy, just like what you are seeing right now. Then after that, you are going to go ahead and add some vanilla extract and vegetable oil. You can use any oil of choice, but neutral oils works best for cakes, like sunflower oil and then vegetable oil. Mix until it's nice and well combined. Then you go ahead and add salt. Next, you are going to sieve in your flour and your baking powder. The baking powder also acts as a rising agent. Please make sure to sieve your flour, as I always say, to avoid having unwanted particles in your batter. And it also helps the batter to become light and airy. After that, you are going to drizzle in 3 tablespoons of milk. And then with your whisk, you are going to gently fold it in until it comes together. Please don't overmix this, or else all the air that you were trying to incorporate in the cake will go out of the batter. Then after that, to check if there are no idle flour particles anywhere, you can then use your spatula to fold it in once again, just to be sure. By this time, your cake is almost coming together. But to get your marble cake, you are going to scoop out 3 tablespoons of the batter into an empty bowl. You can use as much of the batter as you want, but because you are using it for marble, you can just scoop 3 tablespoons out. And then with that, you are going to add about a teaspoon of milk and then a teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. Don't use sweet cocoa powder for this because it's going to make that part of the cake extra sweet. Unless, of course, you prefer that, okay? Then give this a good mix and then you would pour it into a rubber or a piping bag, tie it and then make sure it's airtight. Then you pierce the tip of the bag. If you are watching me and you've not liked the video already, please do like it for me. And I want to use this time to thank all my returning subscribers for your love and support on the channel. I'm grateful. And if you are new here, welcome to Vicky in the Kitchen. You can join us by subscribing. The next thing we are going to do is to grease our cupcake tins with some oil lightly or some butter and then line with cupcake papers. We are going to fill the cupcake papers with butter, but it shouldn't be full to the brim. It should be 3/4 the quantity. And then you would get your chocolates and then add that as well. Make any design you like, and then once you make the designs, you would get a skewer or like a toothpick and then draw into the design. You can swirl it just to make it nice and get the marble effect. Okay, so your oven should be preheating at this time. If your oven has temperature marks, you can preheat this at 180 degrees Celsius to receive the batter. And also you can bake this without an oven. Just pour some salt into a large pan and then put in a stand just to elevate the cake from burning, and preheat it at medium heat for 10 minutes. Now, tap it on your surface about twice to be sure that you are getting rid of all the excess air bubbles. You are going to bake this for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick or skewer inserted inside comes out clean. And that's how you would know your cakes baked very well. So now that we are done, the cakes came out absolutely nice, soft, fluffy, and just good. Okay, you can have this as your perfect tea time snack. It goes so well with beverages. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this, and I'll be glad to read all your comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. God bless. Bye.